Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya and today's video is going to be an iPhone 14 unboxing. So let's get straight into it. So I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max and let me just run down why I got the new phone. So I didn't want a new phone. I wanted to keep the phone that I already have. It's functional, it's working, like I don't really have any issues with it, so I just wanted to keep it the same phone. Look at that, it's terrible. But the glass is all coming out. So my phone is cracked, the back's cracked, and it's bad. And I knew over time it was gonna cause issues, but currently it's not causing me any issues. I don't recommend Apple Care, by the way. I don't know, I didn't say that, but let me make it clear. I don't recommend Apple Care. I always had issues with Apple Care. First, I went to Best Buy. They're like, oh, we don't got a phone right now, so basically like you're gonna have to leave this one here and get another one in like 2 to 3 days. I was like, clip, like I don't want to do that. So I headed to the Apple store. The Apple store is like, sorry, like your Apple Care is not gonna cover this. Like it's gonna be $500. What do you mean it's gonna be $500? And then I had to replace my phone before too. So I don't know, the saving grace ended up being my phone provider. So I have insurance through AT&T and that's how I ended up getting my new phone. I also didn't want a new phone because I just haven't heard the best things about the iPhone 14 and the iPhone 15 camera. And I personally feel like my iPhone 13 camera is worse than my iPhone 11. I'm having like issues with the focusing and my pictures just have not been coming out great. So anything with the back camera on me, I know that this is not turning on. Yeah, so I am having issues with the back camera wasn't working. The iPhone 11 Pro Max was the best camera I've had from Apple. And I noticed quickly with iPhone 13, I didn't like it as much. So I'm like, okay, what's the point of me continuing to go up? And it's going up in pricing. And the camera's not even good, because that's what I really care about is the camera. That's why I have a new phone. I am really trying to reduce my consumption in general, but especially my tech consumption because of everything that's going on here. It's literally just sitting here and this box has been sitting here for a few days. I do have to turn back in my phone to my iPhone 13. It's just not giving insurance it's worth it. Like, and I like feel that in a lot of areas. But okay, let's get this open. Let's unbox it. You guys ready? Let's go. Okay, this is how it came out. I didn't want to like dox myself, so that's why I did it this way. A label to return the phone back, so cool. Also, I don't know if I said it, but I think there's like a $350 charge or something if I don't return the phone. So obviously I'm gonna return the phone. I was like, what? Cause they put this little thing, this is from Asurion. That is a whole nother rabbit hole to go down about how like these companies, you get insurance through them, but it's not actually through them, it's through an insurance company. So if you have any issues and you go to the company and you're like, hey, I'm having issues, they're like, sorry, like go through them. Very annoying. Anyway, so all right, they gave me this, so I have to activate the device. So we're gonna do all that together. So this is what it's looking like right here, and the AT&T device telling me how to activate it. It's coming, it has like this black box, and then on the side it's got this. So let's open her up. Let's see what's up. Okay, a little ghetto. You know, we didn't get the full Apple box. They could have did that, but they did give a cord, an Apple C cord with the lightning cable, and then here's the phone. This is what it looks like. I'm like so disappointed it didn't come in the Apple box, but there's just nothing that I could have done. I'm pretty sure it's a refurbished phone anyway, but they have boxes. They could have put it in a box. Anyway though, so this is what it looks like in here, and this is what the back looks like. I didn't get to pick the color or anything, so we were all figuring out together what it was. But I like this. I would probably have not chosen the black, but I like it. It's very cute. Like, it's different for me too. I always get like the gold. Like, I genuinely would not have chosen this color, but it's very cute. Let me see. Okay, so this is an iPhone 14 Pro Max with 512 gigabytes. I don't know technically what color this is. Okay, yeah, all right, I figured. I knew it was black, but I just didn't know what they were calling it. The iPhone 14 Pro and the iPhone 14 Pro Max comes in 4 colors. So it comes in deep purple, silver, gold, and space black. So I'm assuming this is space black. Okay, so you guys ready? I want you guys to see. And we're here. It's so pretty. There's just something about opening a new iPhone. Like, it just feels so good. Like, it's like, this is how it is when it's just brand new. It's just, I don't know how to describe it. Like, the feeling just feels so good. It feels even better coming out of the iPhone box. They're like essentially the same size. Basically the same size. The iPhone 15 actually is a lot lighter, for sure. It's lighter. Okay, I feel like it's time to turn it on. Let me just let you guys get a full look at it first. The iconic hello. Okay, so I'm gonna do English and I'm gonna do United States. I'm just gonna keep the default appearance. Like, let's see the difference. The medium, large. Yeah, I don't want to do that. I'm just gonna stick with the default. Okay, yeah, so I know they've got this new quick start option. So I'm gonna just take this one and I'm gonna let it set it up. Okay, so it's setting it up now. Now it's telling me to start on my 13, so okay, now we're gonna finish on the new iPhone. We gotta keep it together while it transfers over. I've never transferred it this way. We're just gonna let it do its thing. Okay, it's activating. All right, so while it does its thing and it connects, I'm gonna show you guys the phone case that I got, because you know I couldn't just be walking around with no phone case. Like, I'm very clumsy. I think part of it is the ADHD. So if you don't know, ADHD causes like memory loss. And so with me, a part of that is I'll be holding things in my hand, but I'll forget that I'm holding them. And then I drop them. So for me, I need a case. All right, so this one I got off of Amazon. So let's see, I think this was like 10 bucks. I will leave an affiliate link for the iPhone and for this case in the description box so you guys can just grab it there. Oh, I forgot, this one does come with like a glass screen protector, or just a screen, I don't know. It comes with this, it's not a glass, it's plastic, but it comes with a screen protector. Okay, a bunch of stuff just came out of here. Let's just see what it is. Oh, okay, so this is like glass protectors for the camera. There's 2 of them. These are dust. And then, yep, wipes. 1 2-step wipes. And yep, it's this one, the Gone. Let's see. Okay, so this is what I got. It's basically just like a silicone with a bit more structure case. I bought like 2 other ones that look just like this. I'm just a girl that's like, but my phone is black, so I think I'm gonna end up getting some different cases. My case that I got for my case that I have here, I got a bunch of them and I gave away a bunch to my family. My iPhone 13 Pro Max case is from Velvet Caviar. You know, I love sharing like the PR and the like different things that I get. However, I do wish that I had another one for myself. Well, I guess technically it wouldn't have mattered because I don't have the 14. Love them. These are very good cases. If you keep them in the case, it's gonna be fine. Let's see what's going on here now. So my cell phone number is connected now. And now I'm doing the data and privacy thing. Oh, now we're gonna do the Face ID. Okay, let's do it. Okay, all right, Face ID is set. So I can either download this from iCloud or I can transfer it directly from my iPhone. Okay, and so it's asking me what settings do I wanna carry on. I don't like Siri, so I'm probably, if I can turn Siri off, I'm gonna turn Siri off. Screen time. All right, so now it's doing the update, the software update, and I think it's transferring everything over. So it's doing the 17.4.1 software update. So all I gotta do is just wait. 6 minutes remaining, so not that long. Okay, and then we got this on. This is still very cute. I like it. This will definitely do for the time being. It doesn't feel raised enough, which makes me quite nervous. So I'm gonna have to be careful as much as I can, and I am gonna put the screen protector on. So let's just let everything update and like transfer, and then we'll do the screen protector together. All right, let's do it. We got the 2 phones here. Finally got set up. It took way longer than I expected. Okay, so I had to restart this. It was taking forever. So I decided to go with the iCloud option. I just started it over. And now we are here, and it backed up my iPhone. And I'm gonna do what's next for this phone because I really do need to erase this phone. So yeah, I have to prepare this phone. So I'm gonna figure out how to do that because I really wanna try to send it back today or tomorrow at the latest. Okay, we are finally here. Here are some of the ones I have of my wife and I. Let's go with this one. All right, so yeah, we're on the new phone. Finally, that took a long time, but I want to get like a camera test for you guys. So let's just put in the footage right here and some pictures. We're gonna do it right here with my studio lights, and then I'm gonna turn my studio lights off and so we've done the camera test. So far, I personally think that the 14 Pro Max does look better, which is actually like really exciting because I was scared. I'm like comparing all of the videos. Yeah, there's like a massive difference. I'm looking at the back camera video, especially in the different lighting. Yeah, I see like a pretty big difference. That's exciting. As I told you guys, I was really worried and scared that the camera would be worse. So I feel really good knowing that the camera is better. I think it's like significantly better. As a content creator, like that's a really big deal for me. So that's exciting. Like I feel like I'd probably feel comfortable even like vlogging on this. So especially like because I have a DSLR, and then I've got this one. This is a Canon G7X. So yeah, but first impressions, I like the phone so far. There's just something about that new phone feel. It just feels so good, and I really like this case. I love the velvet caviar ones, but there is something about this like softer case that just feels good. I like the color of it. I'm really excited to like continue trying different things with this. I hope you like this video. Let me know, do you see a difference between the iPhone 13 Pro Max and the iPhone 14 Pro Max in general, and especially when it comes to the cameras? And let me know what iPhone model you're on, because I'm really curious to see. I feel like it's very widespread. But don't forget to check out the description box where I've got the link to my case, and I've also got the link to the iPhone. So if you've been thinking about getting it, use my link, you know. And if you like this video, if you like me, subscribe. If not, give me a like. And if you decide to subscribe, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.